After the chassis was assembled, we went to the assembly and testing center. Here we will assemble the corresponding electrical components, according to the customer's order requirements, such as the specific model of the inverter required by the customer, as well as other components related to the chassis such as the vent valve and filter element. After installing these, we need to conduct a quality inspection on these installed items. If the quality inspection is correct, we will proceed to the next process, wiring and electronic control. In this part, we must pay special attention to the special configuration of the order, carry out wiring and control according to the needs of the order, because the power of each model is different. Appropriate cables must be selected for wiring. After doing this, we still need to conduct quality inspection on the installed equipment. If there is no problem, go to the next process, select the appropriate motor power according to the pressure and flow required by the order for installation. After the whole machine is installed, we will conduct a complete machine aging test on it, and conduct an aging test for 8 hours according to the pressure and flow required by the customer's order. During the test process, we will record each operating time period, motor temperature, outlet pressure, inlet flow, etc. After the test, our quality department will check the relevant data to see whether the pressure and flow can be achieved. Once the test meets the standards, the whole machine will be cleaned. After cleaning, the quality department will check again, including the appearance, the tightness of the internal screws, and the integrity of the circuit. After passing the inspection, the machine will be labeled as qualified and then put into storage. After all the hard work, how were our turbo blowers created? Do you know now? Please contact us for more energy-saving blowers solutions.